Well, it's official. The U.S. will not be sending a team to the motocross nations because of the corona. Basically, if you want to read the whole press statement, it's a short little thing, but I'll leave the link in the description below. But this is from Racer X Online, and basically it comes down to teams not wanting to send people over, the money that could be lost from it, especially, people get sick. They have to send not just racers, but you have to send mechanics and pit crew, or not pit crews, but what's the word I'm looking for? Pit boss, whatever. I can't think of the word. And I quote, it says, due to sizable financial risk faced, say that word, by the team stakeholders and unknowns in play here, we came to the unanimous conclusion that suspending our participation was the reasonable decision. Obviously, it just means, flying everyone over to Europe, spending a couple of days there, you got all the teams, you got all the parts, you got everything, just to get somebody sick, and it's September 25th and 26th, so especially being right at the end of the motocross season, you don't want to send, Eli Tomac and Justin Cooper or whoever else would go, because the stakes that they have for the team, and obviously the money that could be lost if they're not racing, and just all that, hoopla, everything for them. So it's kind of sad. Technically, the U.S. team leads the all-time leader in overall team wins, but they haven't won one since 2011, which isn't very good considering that was like 10 years ago now. But who knows? It says they hopefully will be racing again in 2022, so it's not really a big deal. It's 1 year off from it, but if it's going to be something like this, I wonder how many countries aren't going to be sending teams just for the pure fact of one traveling to Italy, and they all have the same exact problems that the U.S. does between teams and management and parts and bikes, and the chance of people getting sick, especially with MXGP still going on and motocross, the people over here, Ferrandis and Roxon and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Do you think it's a good decision, bad decision? Do you care either way? Do you even know that the motocross of nations exists, or that it was happening, or it is now? Whatever it is, comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.